Hello everyone, this is my review of the Vayepro stovetop flat griddle. This griddle has a nice large flat surface that you can cook on your stove. It's made of non-stick material. You have to attach these handles with screws on there. Make sure you only touch the coated part of the handles with your bare hand when cooking, or just use gloves. There's a checkered type pattern on the bottom of it, but still no problem there. It's uh, it's light enough that you can lift with one hand if need be. Okay, let's take it to the stove. You can see how large of an area it has. It goes across two burners. I'm only using one right now, but you could use two if you want to. Right now I'm gonna fry up some bacon on here. These bacon are kind of small. I think I'm gonna get some larger ones to show you as well. All right, got them going. I got some larger bacons so you can see how much room you have here, that you can put a lot on here. You can grill up some multiple burgers or hot dogs and stuff, so it gives you a lot of room to do stuff in here. I'm also going to show you how non-stick it is as well. Okay, I'm about to clean some of this bacon grease off of here because I'm going to use it again to fry up some eggs. But I see all the grease just washed right off. I'm going to scrub it off a little bit and I'm good to go. Get it nice and clean and let's cook some eggs. All right, I got some eggs cooking here. This is 3 eggs cooking here, and I'm about to make myself a egg sandwich. Let's see how this turns out. Okay, I added my bread and I'm about to flip the whole egg sandwich over. And you see how it's flipped over really easy, not sticking, and the whole thing came over in pretty much one piece. And I have so much surface area to work with. That's awesome. I loaded up my sandwich while the egg and the bread was still cooking, and it still hasn't stuck. So that's really good and make it convenient. And like I said, you can see how much area I have here to work with to make my sandwich. Let's see the finished thing. Okay, now I'm gonna flip the sandwich over. Nothing sticking. And voila. Finished egg sandwich. Now I'm gonna put the grillet in the dishwasher for easy cleanup. As you can see, it doesn't take much space. I could have other dishes in there as well. There it is, nice and clean, and I hope this review helps.